My name is Jamila and I'm from England. I've had an amazing time in Tulungagung so far. It's a great place with beautiful scenery and wonderful people. So come to Tulungagung. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. Tulungagung has everything. Great beaches, waterfalls, mountains and temples. And the most amazing and hospitable, friendly people you'll ever meet. Tulungagung, Mening.
Wow!